Thought I'd do a video of all my projects I haven't finished. First, probably going to show you my trailer. This was a pop-up camper, as you guys saw. Last time I did video on this was about a year and a half ago. But it's painted black with Rust-Oleum, and these are welded on as sides. It would be a landscape type trailer. Tires are actually in good shape. It was a pop-up camper I found in the woods, and I ripped off the pop-up part and just got the frame out in the woods. I wired up lights, as you guys can see. But I got them crossed, so I need to move this one over here and that one over there. Bless me. Anyway, show you the trailer. It's pretty sturdy. It's gonna be, I'm gonna put a plywood deck on it and use it for like lawnmower hauling. It's got this crank thing. This is what operated the what do you call it? Pop-up part, but it could be used to winch a lawnmower on top of there. It doesn't run. It's got this crazy bump pull. Actually, it used to work. Bump pull hitch that I don't like. I'm gonna cut that off and weld on a regular hitch because I actually took off the brakes because I don't need brakes. This is a small trailer, and I don't like this hitch anyway. But that's update on that. I need to finish it. I just started other projects basically. I'll take it in my my truck bed trailer. This is not finished either. I got another tire out of the woods and put it on a rim, and that one holds air, oddly enough. 16-inch rim, Ford. I need to re-weld that. It's sturdy. I've towed it. You could tow it, but it's not wired for electricity or anything. I put this hitch on it, which is rusted up. I like that style hitch. I got a bunch of scrap wood because we're building a house next to us, and the guy's like, "You want some scrap wood?" I'm like, "Yeah." And so I don't know what I'm gonna do with that, but this is truck bed trailer. Basically, I haven't done anything to it since my last video, which was about, 8 months ago? Probably less. Well, maybe about 6. Yeah, so that's one project. This is just an update video on all my projects I haven't finished. Well, I did finish this one, but people have been asking me about it. The Weed Eater dirt bike. It actually does run, or did 2 years ago when I did that video. I took its chain for another project. See how well that sprocket onto the end clutch that Weed Eater has. It would pull you around. I hooked up this little gadget for the gas, but it's not exactly. I need to work on it. Because I'd pull the gas. It doesn't really do a really good job of it. It's another project I need to work on better. It needs a better gear ratio so it can pull me around better. But it works, kind of. That's one project. My snapper riding lawnmowers. Yeah, I got that one to run. Looks like the paint's washing off. I got that one to run anyway. It squeals with a high RPM because the whatever the pull start thing is. I need to get another one of those. I don't even know if they make it. Bearing's bad. I did not get this one to run. Starter's bad, I think. I did get this one to run. It's a Tecumseh though, as you can see. And so those 3 could run. I don't know. This is my go-kart. I bought this about 6 months ago. Did some videos of me driving around. It worked when I parked it. Kind of worked. I think the carburetor needs to be cleaned out, but I don't cover anything around here for some reason. Well, I did, and it blew off probably. But I need to work on it. It runs. It's great. I got that for $65. Go-kart. 5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton. This is my LT 6000. I use it to cut the grass. I don't know why I parked it like this, but it works. But electrical's bad on it. So to engage the clutch, let's see if you can hear the sound. Here's the electrical clutch on the front. Yeah, that turns the blades once you engage that clutch. And so, yeah, I have to jump start it off the starter to get it to run. But it runs and drives, and I use it to cut grass. That's all you really need. It's a big lawnmower right there. It's a V-twin Kohler. Kohler Magnum, actually. Or a Pose twin Kohler, whatever. Over here I got my bike power generator. I need to work on it. I've just kind of ignored it, which is terrible. I took the chain off the Weed Eater dirt bike for it. It's on a base, piece of wood. It does work. It does generate electricity. or did when I left it here. That engine's off a laminator someone threw out, and you turn it backwards and it generates 12 volts. So, but as you can see, that's basically, yeah, it's still working condition. I need to work on the bridge rectifier. That's off of a computer. That is a low voltage bridge rectifier. Bridge rectifier is a one-way valve for electricity, so if I hook it up to a car battery, it can trickle charge it and not turn the electric motor over. So I need to do that. I need to get a better bridge rectifier. I think you can get them at, you know, what's that place called? Radio Shack. But I need to do that. I built the back. I built metal legs for it to be more sturdy. I welded angle iron. But that's another thing I need to finish. As you see, I have a common problem. I'm finishing things. There you go. But I need to work on that. Got a lot of things I need to work on. I got a big project I'm working on right now. It's been taking me about a month or two of work daily, and I've been neglecting everything else basically. But yeah, I'll get to it. Oh, and a lot of you guys might want to know about the ambulance truck. It's still down in the woods. I don't want to go drive down there. The ambulance truck, the starter's bad on it, and it's about a $250 starter, and the engine I believe is seized. I'm going to need to check on that. I'm not exactly sure, but it's a 350 diesel Chevy, which I hear is crap because they just took the gas block or something like that and they made it into a diesel somehow, and it's like really crappy. I don't know. That's what I keep hearing, but I need to work on it. I need to make a decision on scrapping it or trying to get it running or part it out or sell it on Craigslist. But that's basically all my projects I haven't finished. Oh yeah, and that's my old Ryan lawnmower type thing. I really need to work on that. Has a 11 horsepower Briggs & Stratton. It was a good mower, and I think I'm missing carb parts. Yeah, I just have like a tin can with holes in it as a filter. It's another project I need to work on. Oh, there's my other go-kart. I forgot about that. Yeah, it doesn't run. It doesn't have engine or tires. I sold the front tires to some boys who walked by and like, hey, can I borrow the tires? I'm like, okay. So, yeah, I got a lot of projects I need to do. Here's a 5-ton jack someone threw away. It needs a bearing. It needs a new O gasket, and it'll work. It's in hydraulic fluid. So I need to fix that. There's my old winch. Doesn't work. It does work. I just got a lot of things I need to work on that I just don't have the time to do. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed my update video of all my projects I haven't done or finished. I will try to get around to it. It's just I had a lot going on, working on a giant project, top secret, and don't really have time. Well, anyway, peace, guys.